Hey learners, welcome to a new video. Myself Jay Patel, and today in this video I am going to talk about personal dashboards and system dashboards in Dynamics 365 CRM. This video is going to be very exciting because in this video we are going to see that how to create the personal and system dashboards. And first of all, I will start by telling you the difference between the two. When we talk about personal dashboards, we mean that these dashboards are only visible to the user who has created them. While in the case of system dashboards, those dashboards are visible to each and every user in the Dynamics 365 CRM. And we can also configure them with the help of the security roles if we want them to be visible to only a selected group of users. Alright, so let's first understand that how to create a personal dashboard. As you can see on the screen, I am in my Sales Hub application and currently I have opened the dashboard entity. What I'm going to do first is that I'm going to click on this new icon and then we will click on Dynamics 365 dashboard. So let's start with that. Now it is asking me to choose a view. So currently I will be selecting a 2-column regular dashboard view, and let's double tap on it and create it. So as you can see here, I have got this edit view where I can just configure my dashboard. It is as simple as that. What I will do first is that I will double tap on this first space icon, and then I have to select that what I would like to be here. So I will click on this list and then I will double tap here, right? So as you can see here, it is asking me to select the record. So let's say I'm selecting the accounts entity, and then it will ask me to select a particular view which I would like to show in my dashboard. So I'm going to show my active accounts. That's it. Now I have to click on add. When I click on add, as you can see here, it has ultimately added the view for me. So whenever the user opens this particular dashboard, he will be able to see the active accounts related to that user who has created this view. On the other hand, when I'm clicking here, I will click on chart. So now I will be able to add a chart here. So let's select a particular entity for this. Let's say I'm selecting leads, and then I have to select a particular view here. So let's say I am selecting open leads. But yes, it is not showing any lead right now. So let's say we are selecting some other entity. Let's say we are selecting contact. And yes, for contact, I am able to see a particular view which is my active contacts, and the chart is showing the contacts by role. So let's click on add. So as you can see here, now I have a view on the left hand side and a dashboard on the right hand side. For the below two parts, I don't want them, so I will just select them and click on delete. So it will delete it for me, and in the similar way I can do the same thing here as well. So now my dashboard is ready. What I would like to do here is that I would like to give it a name. So let's give it a name. We will give a name as custom dashboard. So let's say this is the name which we have given to the dashboard. Now let's click on save in order to save this dashboard, and now click on close. So as you can see here, my custom dashboard is visible now, and here you can see all the active contacts. And then if you just scroll down below, you will be able to see the contact chart which we have added here. Now one thing is very clear. As you can see here, I can see this dashboard into the my dashboards section. As you can see here, so custom dashboard is in the my dashboard sections, while the other dashboards are under the system dashboard section. So it means that the dashboard which we have just created right now is a personal dashboard. So I hope that you are able to understand the difference, that what is a system dashboard and what is a personal dashboard. The one which we have created just now is a personal dashboard. Now let's talk about how to create a system dashboard. It is quite easy. For creating a system dashboard, I will go into my Power Apps. And right now, as you can see, I am in a solution. Let me just walk you through this entire scenario from the very beginning. So from the solutions, I have selected a custom solution which I had created earlier, and now in this solution I'm going to create my system dashboard. So in order to create the system dashboard, I will have to click on this new icon, and as you can see here, I have got this option of dashboard. I will just hover upon it, and as you can see, it is showing me different options of creating a dashboard. So let's select the 2-column overview. Let me do it again. So I'm going to dashboard and 2-column overview. Now this will again provide me a new edit view where I can just simply add my views. So what I can do here is I will just click here, click on list, and this time I will select leads, and let's say I'm giving my open leads, and let's add it. So I've given the view, and here I'm going to add my chart, and let's select for the chart account entity, and let's add it up. All right, I'm just removing this too. If you want, you can just select different layouts as per your requirement, and for this dashboard I will give it a name as system dashboard dynamics. All right, this is the name which I have given to it. Let's click on save, and then let's click on close. All right, so this way we have created a dashboard for ourselves. We will be able to see that dashboard in a few seconds of time once it gets loaded. So let's just wait. Yes, as you can see here, the system dashboard is visible here. So I'm just going. All right, so this is the way how you can create the system dashboard. So we have talked about the two different ways, right? We have talked that how to create a personal dashboard, and then we have also seen that how to create a system dashboard, right? So this is the difference between the two. I hope that you liked this video, and if that's the case, then please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. All right, thank you so much.